Hello there once again, Jankari TV. I hope you all having an amazing and beautiful day and enjoy your life. Welcome to yet another episode with Jankari TV. Our today will cover one of the main reason why XRP will succeed in his mission or to become revolutionary pieces of technology that will change the financial world, covering that one time when the founder of TechCrank, Michelle Harris, mentioned moving $50 million off for only 30 cents. In addition to that, we'll talk about Jankari Kyungsi was worth 10 of millions of dollars and who is best now for his international bestsellers titles. Rich Dad Poor Dad will mention what it thinks people should do to become rich, and at the end of the video we'll get into how the number one state bank of Russian is potentially adopting blockchain technology via ATMs and how it made me good for XRP and the digital assets place all together. So grab yourself a drink, snuggle up, and let's dive in how one of the ways that XRP is much better than both Bitcoin and fiat currency like the United States dollars is an XYP can move huge amounts of money for virtually zero cost in seconds, and this quote by mechanic Michels Haddon for TechCrunch, and those he believed to be worth $100 million is proof positive for of that. He says we moved $15 million worth of XRP into our company in 3 seconds and it cost US only 30 cents. There is no way to do that with fiat for a Bitcoin. I mean, wow, just think about that. Really think about that. Using Western Union, MoneyGram, wire transfer or PayPal, you will be astronomical amount sending $15 million, especially if you are sending it internationally, and even more so if you are sending it to a country I don't like, Russia, for I don't like, or from there to Europe. This is unprecedented, being able to move $50 million for only 30 cents in only 3 seconds. There is no way monogrammed Western Union should or PayPal can keep up and compete with that, which is exactly why they are stucking for parking off with Ripple. MoneyGram is live in several different corridors with XRP. Once their union is testing is for a second time, Bank of America and Standard Bank of Ripple parks. In addition to that, we heard the CEO of Swift, Gottfried Liebert, publicly started during the past FinTech 14 2019 that Swifty many partner my with Ripple in a few years, so anything could happen. Really, you never know. Now this takes us to the second chapter in our video. In short, Robert Kiyosaki was written several best-selling financial books, believes that where it commits commits the worst financial result of all time, so bad in fact that parents will see their children go hungry. Wow, good forbid his words, not mine. He has stated in several different videos that the thinks people will become filter rich by getting out of the markets in time before this crash, is predicting happiness by buying real money. Mind you, he refers to fiat currency like the British pound and the US dollar is fake money because instructions such as the Federal Reserve can easily print $6 trillion on the woman is subsequently result in the devaluation of fiat currency. The perfect example is the longest lasting fiat currency of all time, the British pound sterling, which is 326-year-old compared to its initial value in silver when it was created to help finance war in 1694. It has lost amount 100% of its value of to be exact the last 99.7%, and that is just insane. In addition to that, in 1913 the Federal Reserve took